Hello everyone, how are you doing? Have you tried the tasty recipes I have uploaded to my channel? I hope you enjoyed them. Today, I'm excited to share a delicious snack recipe, Maggi Pakkoda. It's perfect for evenings or even for travel snacks. Let's see what are the ingredients of this recipe. 200 grams of cooked Maggi noodles, 15 grams of crushed Maggi noodles, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch powder mixed with water, 1 onion, 1 capsicum, 1 carrot, coriander leaves, half cup of wheat flour, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, Maggi masala, salt to taste, and finally 1 tablespoon of rice flour. It's only optional for extra crunch. Let's see how to prepare these snacks. Take the noodles also cooked and crushed. In a separate bowl, mix the cornstarch powder with water to create a slurry and set it aside. Take the cooked noodles in a large mixing bowl. Add the chopped capsicum, carrot, onion and chopped coriander leaves to the noodles mixer. Then add wheat flour, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, pepper powder and finally salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients well to form a thick batter. Take a small portions of the batter and shape them into balls or small cylindrical shapes. Dip each ball into the cornstarch slurry and then coat them evenly with the crushed Maggi noodles. Heat oil in a deep frying pan or kadai. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the coated Maggi balls in a batches and fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy. After frying, remove the fried Maggi Pakkodas from the oil using a slotted spoon and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. Serve the hot and crispy Maggi Pakkodas immediately with tea or your favorite dip. Enjoy the crunchy and flavorful Maggi Pakkodas as a delightful snack for evening tea or anything you crave something tasty and comforting. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking! Thank you.